Laki na librent ah. Binatang binata. Naubalik ha.
Teach us all how to draw. Right here on INC TV.
As we reflect on God's blessings in the year 2025. We've witnessed the blessings God outpoured to the Church of Christ within this past year. But it wasn't just members who received these graces. Through outreach events, care and love was also extended to those experiencing severe hardships, to victims of calamity.
Yeah, ano po? Ano? Ayos ako to. Ngiti. Labas na yung ngiti. Baba. Laka na yung ngiti ay. Baba. Babay na. Magsinilas. Magsombrero. Ikaw dyan, magsombrero ka ba o hindi naman ah? Ay, ayaw daw pala magsombrero. Magugulo agad.